In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change chin in Gacha Club. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There is a lot of customization that you can do in Gacha Club, including the chin of a specific character. To do this, tap on the specific profile that you would like to change, and now go over to the head category. Chin is going to be available under head, and you have to switch from hair to face. So on the head category under face, you will be able to find chin. So right here, you can swap between all of them. So there are 10 chins available in the game. I'm going to cycle through them slowly. I'm going to remove these accessories so it is easier to see as well. So after I'm done removing these, I'll showcase the chin options for you. So go to head, face, and now you can swap between them. So the second one simply makes it a little bit more towards the inside. Chin 3 makes it very flat. Chin 4 takes it a little bit to the outside. Chin 5 makes it very large. Chin 6 makes it extremely sharp. Chin 7 is very circular. Chin 8 almost goes to the outside here. Chin 9 is very triangular. And chin 10 has this slight line. So swap between any of these chins on your Gacha Club character. This option should also be available in Gacha Life, so just tap on any of the profiles that you have and you will be able to customize their chin to better fit your specific Gacha Club creation. So I hope I was able to help you on how to change the chin in Gacha Club or Gacha Life. If this video helped you customize your character, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.